Somebody will be blown away by this video, and I'm not wasting any time. So, the big belly industry that they call CanKer. You know that word, right? CANCER. Yeah. Did you know that you should not brush your teeth early in the mornings? Yeah, simply because naturally in your mouth, your enzymes produce vitamin B12, which is a very rare one. So you need to drink some fluid to send that down. You want to know what else? Your toothpaste destroy early in the morning because of the sodium, or should I say the fluorine, which is a natural poison used in World War One and Two. In your toothpaste, it kills a special bacteria that produce in the mouth. The mouth produce at least the 17 of these bacteria. You know that the Russian back in Ukraine was doing a radioactive site where they were mining some minerals, and guess what? They realized that everybody around this radioactive site on the outside was catching CanKer. Yes, their CanKer cell was being activated. However, everybody inside the site had no CanKer. So what they did, a guy went there and do a research and realized that there was a Russian doctor there that was just providing a special bacteria to these workers, and it was preventing the free radicals from vibrating in the body, hence emitting, or what should I say, consuming the spreading of cancer around the body. These bacteria are made naturally in the mouth, but you kill them with the toothpaste you use, because some of you here on this planet behaving too clean. And I tell you that when your grandmother says scornful dog named dirty pudding, you're believing in what someone is putting in a package more than what natural nature. Your body was created to defend itself in the natural state as much as possible. This information, the truth cannot be told, it only can be realized. So here is an example of one of the bacterias that they put in pills that naturally make by the body in the mouth, plants, fungi, etc., mushrooms. I just want to say to you, now that you have this realization, you understand that from the dirt you are, and there you will go back. And you cannot be too protective to your body. You have to allow your body to defend itself. And when it goes back in the natural state, this is why I trust my body and nature itself more than anything that man has put in a package. My friend, this video is for who it is for. You could call this video the cure for canker. Believe it or not. I told you, believe it, have the L-I-E in it. I'm out. It's knowledge of the true virgin. Remember, for more inspiration like this and more hidden truth, you have Earth. The book is on Amazon and it's right here in Jamaica. Send me a message and I sell you one of these.